with honors. Martina Denise G. Bunag. John Robin P. Bunag with honors. Joyce Tina T. Casino with honors. Alvin John S. Cortez with honors. Eunice H. Conde. Yanis Matthews D. Quaresma. Sophia Denise N. Gregorio. Alvin James D. Dasaya with honors. First place at Division School Press Conference. Regional School Press Conference Qualifier. Sarah Charis B. Nibon. Kenzo Yuan M. Dilion, Janela C. Imato, Kyle Gregory L. Hotalie, Honey Lorraine C. Anego with honors, Ira Luis C. Lakap with honors, Zoe Stephanie Madrid, John Cardel D. Lumontod with honors, Best in Filipino, First place at Division School Press Conference, Regional School Press Conference Qualifier. Clarice Ken T. Magaya, Cedric Dylan P. Medallion with honors, Kimberly Joy D. Marcos with honors, John Lawrence M. Mirasol with honors, Bibel Aubrey S. Mercado, Edwin P. R. Morales with honors, Eloisa May L. Mijares, Scott Pagustan with honors, Angelina Faye A. Patrigone with honors, Giro Prince Lawrence Reyes with honors, Nina Grace O. Pagara with honors, Emir Gabriel G. Sabado with honors, Laida May C. Reyes with honors, Robert James S. Rial with high honors, Best in Science, Best in Information Computer Technology, Joanna S. Sapari with honors, Adrian P. Ulep with honors, Julian S. Sapari with honors, Vigo Carlos V. Villarama with honors, Janessa Blair D. Turpanada with honors, Mark Julian C. UP, Lorraine Ann W. Unil with honors, Cameron Shane B. Vargas with honors, Minata O. Villanueva, and Paula Silan F. Zirate with honors. Congratulations, completers. May I call on Ms. Gretchen Ordiales to present to us the completers of grade 10 Mariano Alvarez.